When someone asks what you do at a networking event, it's important to have a pre-planned introduction to what you do. It's called an elevator pitch. So called because it should be short and impactful enough to convey what you do in the time it takes to take an elevator ride. I've yet to give a pitch in an elevator, but I do use my own elevator pitch all the time. We've got a mate called Natalie, and she is an expert networker. On more than one occasion, she's pitched when sat next to someone on a plane, no escape you see, and won business. Here are some tips to structure your own pitch so you know exactly what to say next time someone asks, "What do you do?" Your pitch objective is to spark enough interest for the recipient to be interested in continuing a conversation. Keep your elevator pitch short and sweet, aiming to deliver your message in 60 seconds or less. Your pitch should not contain your entire value proposition. If you put too much into it, you will sound like you're desperate and selling. Be positive and persuasive. You want to say who you are, what you do, and what you want to achieve, delivered in a positive tone. Perfect your pitch by practicing with a friend or recording it and playing it back until you're happy. If you stick to that structure, you can't go wrong. Sophie uses her pitch on her LinkedIn profile. Record it as a video and upload it to your profile. It must be shorter than 60 seconds to upload. If you'd like more info or help with your pitch, get in touch with us at Moja. We've got a template you can use, which we'll link below the video.